Welcome to Roofing Road Trips, the podcast that takes you on a thrilling journey across the world of roofing. From fascinating interviews with roofing experts to on-the-road adventures, we'll uncover the stories, innovations, and challenges that shape the rooftops over our heads. So fasten your seatbelts and join us as we embark on this exciting roofing road trip. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the CertainTeed San Diego Business Building Workshop. I'm Megan Ellsworth here at rooferscoffeeshop.com, and this is a live roofing road trip with my new friend Alfredo. You were in our podcast class and won our raffle to do a podcast with us, so I'm so excited to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
Can you just tell everybody a little bit about you and your company?
Sure. My name's Alfredo Barrios. My company is called Straight Above Roofing. We're located in Riverside County. We've been in business now for 6 years.
Awesome.
I've been in the business for about 20 years in the whole business in roofing.
Wow. Okay.
Started as a sales property manager. Didn't know anything about roofing, but Google helped me. Thank you.
Thank you, Google.
And I've been in it ever since, you know.
I love it. I love how roofing does that. It snags you, you know. Once you're in it, you never leave.
Yeah, well, once you're in it, you can see the potentials, you know. You see the professionalism in a lot of individuals that makes you want to get more involved in it because it's a career, it's a trade that it'll be there for the long time, and it's very lucrative it can be.
I love that and completely agree. I think roofing can sometimes be very underrated as a career choice. Sure. And you know, it's not always taught in trade schools.
Sure.
So I love that you said that, and it's so true.
No, it's not taught too much because it's a trade that people just did from when we were younger to our parents and our uncles.
Right. Yeah.
But it's out there. It's a big trade. It's a big industry, and I recommend it for many that want to try it.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so Alfredo, let's talk. You told me before this that you work with youth a lot, and you know this generation of roofing is kind of starting to retire, and so we need to start recruiting into the industry. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do with youth and bringing people into the roofing industry?
Well, with the youth, I started speaking to the youth in high schools and middle schools in regards to a different trade at the time. It was just a business entrepreneurship class.
Okay.
But we've been working with some youth recently, high schools and in junior colleges.
Okay.
In regards to a trade show, bring them into the trade.
Got it.
Teach them about if it's sales, if it's the labor force, office. It's a big trade. There's different positions all over. It's not just for one company.
Absolutely.
So we're just trying to get the labor force in here and the youth to be encouraged to get involved with it because the money is there, but it takes hard work and it's dedication for us to really survive and succeed in it.
Yeah, and it's so rewarding, I bet, to see them actually go and get into the roofing industry and succeed. I can only imagine. That's really cool.
It's a life change for them because some of them don't think that. It's something like they get up in just a roof and don't want to do the work. But when they see their teammates actually pushing together with them and they're teaching them, not just putting them down because they don't know what they're doing, they're actually teaching them. But all the youth that we do bring in, if they're young and they've never been on a roof, they start from the ground, from the ground, sweeping, pulling nails, the basic stuff, until they can see if this is for them or not.
Okay, that's brilliant. I love that. Okay, so you also told me this brilliant tidbit that you're an author. Tell me about your book.
I'm an author, yes, I am. I wrote a book a couple years ago. It's called No Margin for Error.
Got it.
And what that does is basically just giving a message out to the youth, saying there's, hey, the world's out here for us. It's big. It's whatever we want to make it out.
Yeah.
And if we're going to make mistakes, because as youth we make mistakes, but if you're going to make mistakes, they can cost you. But here's a little information for you, a little story that came in front behind you already that's showing you that you can make it.
Yeah.
And that you can't have these errors if you want to succeed in life.
Yeah.
So my book is just to uplift the youth and to encourage anyone else.
Wow. Where can people find your book to buy it?
It's on Amazon, I believe it is.
Love it.
And it's No Margin for Error by Alfredo Barrios. Simple autobiography. I made mistakes in my life when I was a youth.
We all did.
It taught me a valuable lesson. And I'm just trying to give back, as I promised to God, that I would try to reach the youth if I could.
That's awesome. I love it, Alfredo. Okay, so now we'll talk a little bit about what we're here to do. And that is, we're here at the CertainTeed Business Building Workshop. How long have you been installing CertainTeed?
When I first started in the roofing industry almost 20 years ago, working for someone, they were installing CertainTeed shingles, and I didn't know anything about CertainTeed.
Yeah.
But once I started doing my own company and started my company, any shingles or torch, I would use CertainTeed because of a good friend of mine that I started with in the business from CertainTeed by the name of Bill Bauer, and he's still around.
Oh, wow.
So because of Bill, I always use CertainTeed.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay. So is this your first business building workshop that you've attended?
It is.
Awesome. Well, welcome.
Thank you.
What kind of motivated you to come here to this event today?
I wanted to get a little more knowledge, information, because we're doing more CertainTeed products in another week or so.
Okay.
So I just want to see what's out there new, maybe that I might be able to pick up a business class that they taught us how.
Yeah.
A little knowledgeable information, and then just to network with other roofers because other individuals here as well.
Yeah, that's such a good point. It's really cool to be able to chat with all these different companies that are like kind of in your region, but maybe not a direct competitor. So you get to kind of get advice and see what other people are doing. That's so smart. So are you mostly residential or commercial or a little bit of both?
Right now I'm doing more commercial than residential.
Okay.
But I love residential. Residential grows to the commercial.
Yeah.
You never know which client you're serving. In the residential side, they may have commercial.
So true.
That's so many properties come out of that.
Yeah, and vice versa. I feel like, you know, all the people that are working on those buildings or property managers, you know, they have houses.
Yeah.
So why is a program like this, the business building workshop, so important to provide to contractors and get to work with CertainTeed?
Well, as a business owner, sometimes the owners will send their sales reps. They will send someone else here that's trying to project manager learn. So these workshops are very critical for them because they can learn something. If it's one thing that they learn out of here that's going to make them a better salesperson, a better customer service to their client, that's golden. That's golden.
Yeah, and that really affects the bottom line, right? Making them better makes the company better.
Well, you have to. I mean, if you got to train your guys, and if they're willing to go learn, you have to be willing to put up whatever the cost is to get them there.
Yeah, take advantage of that.
Take advantage if they're willing to learn. Some guys just want to come to events and it is what it is. But if they really want to learn, they can take advantage and learn because there's something here to learn from the roofing industry.
I feel like it's such a huge, such a great quality to have in an employee is that willingness, that drive to learn, to be better, because you can't always teach that, right? Or instill that. It's kind of comes already pre-installed.
Yeah, well, you know the type of worker you're going to have the moment if they're coming to the office before work. If they're coming prepared and ready to go, and they're not coming with their sandals or anything like that, those are the workers you want, is the ones that are ready.
Yeah.
You know, and. But there's good workers out there, and this industry is big, and I advise anyone that wants to get in this industry to give it a shot. Reach out to a local roofing company, a distribution company, and get hired on to this industry. It's a big industry, and it's going to be around.
Yeah, and it's going to be, exactly. Everybody needs a roof, right?
At some point.
Okay, so what are some key highlights or takeaways that you had from today's sessions that you've attended so far?
Some of the highlights were, just hands-on training that they put out there with the demos.
Yeah, that's huge.
That's huge, almost, because you think you know something, but then you come here and they show you just one little thing different that you say, I didn't even know they had, so you learn from that. I don't take nothing away from it in regards to it. I think everything so far is great.
Awesome.
The drive is about an hour of drive, but it's great. I love the drive.
Yeah. I mean, you can't beat San Diego. It's beautiful here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so are you seeing any trends or opportunities for growth for the rest of this year in 2026?
I am. And what reason for that is because the weather forecast is promoting a big El Nino coming.
Right.
Right, for the end of the winter. So with that, as an owner, we have to prepare for that. We have to go out and market that and bring that awareness to homeowners and business owners.
So true.
Not as a selling point, but just as an awareness.
Yeah.
It's out there already. The information is there.
Yeah.
Now we just want to prepare them and be the ones that service them before the rain comes. So that's a huge opportunity for growth just with that forecast for the El Nino coming.
That's so true. And I mean, we were sitting in on the hail trace session earlier before our podcasting class, and he was talking about next year is potentially going to be a huge year for storms.
Yeah.
And so preparing now for your business is critical. Coming to things like this,
Sure,
so important. And I love what you said, like giving the homeowners the knowledge and preparing them, because then they call you. That's so amazing.
No, that's big. You got to prepare them. You know, it's not a selling point you're trying to sell on them, because I'm never trying to sell a roof. I'm just trying to help you out on what you have your problem.
Yeah.
You have a leak. I'm not there to tell you you don't need a roof.
Yeah.
If you don't need a roof, I'll tell you. But if you need a roof, I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
So again, preparation is key for them, and that's being and using integrity for it. We got to be honest with the homeowners as well.
I love that. I love it. Okay, so how are you going to apply what you've learned here from those hands-on demos onto the next roofing project?
Well, I have a roofing project coming up about another week. That's torch.
Okay,
so
perfect.
Some of the same things I saw today, we're going to try it out and just add a little extra to it.
Love it. Love it. I love being able to take something so tangible and put it right into use.
Put it right to work.
Yeah. Okay, so why would you say CertainTeed is kind of the leading manufacturer for your company?
It depends what application you're putting on.
Okay.
What application you're putting on. Again, 20 years ago when I started, and it was torch, it was a lot of hot mop back then. It wasn't, it was just hot mopping. We're doing hot mopping. But with the torch now, CertainTeed is a product I use because I'm comfortable with it. It hasn't failed me on the products that we use. But if it's coating or different things, then I look for different manufacturers because I'm comfortable with those manufacturers as their product. But CertainTeed is a great product. They've been around a long time. Great product.
Yeah, and it's cool too that they put on events like this for their contractors, making sure that they're up to date on what's going on and new product launches, demos. Well, Alfredo, this has been such a blast. Thanks for chatting with me. And where can everyone learn more about your company?
Thank you again for having me here.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it. So it was a blessing to be here. Thank you. We are located in Riverside, California, straightaboveroofing.com, STR8, aboveroofing.com. We do residential and commercial. We're working with programs that we're trying to help out people that can't finance their roofs at the time. So we're working with things like that just to give back. There's a lot of roofs out there, then people can't afford it.
It's so true. Especially, I think, in high areas like California where it's high amount of money that you need to live comfortably.
Sure.
So that is beautiful that you're doing that. I would love to know, how can people get involved with you, like on getting involved with youth? We already talked about how they can buy your book, but is there any way you guys give back or people can get involved with Straight Above?
Yeah, just they can contact me through straightaboveroofing.com. We can have a one-on-one conversation, see how we can make something happen.
Yeah.
I'm always looking for ideas that can give back and make things happen, especially when it comes to the youth. Again, as I mentioned prior to the start of this, I made a promise to God many years ago that if I can help the youth either stay out of trouble, or learn a trade, or do something positive in life, that's my goal.
Yeah.
So if I can continue doing that, if anyone out there likes to work with me with the youth, have youth programs that like to do it, give me a call.
I love it. I love it. Alfredo, thank you again. Everyone out there, go to straightaboveroofing.com to learn more. And you can also go to rooferscoffeeshop.com to learn more as well. We have more podcasts and interviews coming to you live today from the CertainTeed BBW in San Diego. And we'll see you on the next one.
See you. God bless.
If you've enjoyed the ride, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on every roofing adventure. Make sure to visit rooferscoffeeshop.com to learn more. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next roofing road trip.